Hello everyone, how's it going? In this video, we will explore how to delete files from staging area and commit our changes to permanently store the deletion in the repository. Let's assume that we just discovered that we no longer need a file in our project because it contains unused code. So firstly, we need to remove this file from our project. So first we have to navigate to our projects directory. So I'm going to type cd double dot to go up one level. And now I'm going to type cd git project. And inside this folder, I'm gonna navigate to example directory. So that's the root directory of our project, and we have our files in this directory. So let us now look at our projects directory and let's see what files do we contain inside of the directory. So I'm going to open our projects directory, and here we can see that we have two files, file1.txt and file2.txt. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove one of these files, and then we will see how we can commit our change and how our changes will be stored permanently in the repository. We can also verify that by using a command. So I'm going to type ls-a, and here we can see we have two files, file1.txt and file2.txt. Suppose we want to remove file2, and to achieve that I'm going to use a command called rm. So I'm going to type rm space file name, so it will be file2.txt, and by executing this command, file2 will be deleted from our projects folder. So I'm going to press enter, and now to verify I'm going to type ls-a, and here we can see we only have one file in our projects directory. Now let's run git status. And here we can see that we have one change that is not staged for commit. And one important thing to note is that we have removed file2 from our working directory, but it still exists in the staging area. So I have cleared the screen, and to verify that I'm going to use a command called git ls-files. So here we can see that we have two files, and both of these files still exist in our staging area. We can see that we have deleted file2 from our working directory, but it still exists in our staging area. We have learned in the previous videos that every time we make a change, we have to stage those changes using the add command. So we are going to type git add, and I'm going to type file2.txt. So by using this command, we are going to stage our changes, which is a deletion, and remember it's a deletion, we didn't create a new file. So our deletion is staged, and to verify that I'm going to run a git ls-files one more time, and here we can see that we only have one file in our staging area. Let us run git status. So I'm going to type git status, and here we can see that we have one change that is ready to be committed, and that change is a deletion of file2. Let's clear the screen. Alright, so now let's commit this change to permanently store our change in the repository. To commit, we are going to run commit command. So git commit, and I'm going to supply a message, let's say file2 removed. Let's press enter, and with that our change will be permanently stored in the repository. So here we can see that we have one file changed and we have one deletion. Delete mode file2.txt. To remove a file, we have to remove it from our working directory as well as from the staging area. Alright, so that's it for this video. In this video we saw how we can remove a file from our working directory and how we can commit our deletion to permanently store it in the repository.